So here's the next addition to the Valkyrie series pendulums. This beautiful Pegasus wing by Swarovski represents the Pegasus that the Valkyrie warriors rode, the winged horses, into battle. This particular pendulum is embellished with silver wire weave, a Swarovski crystal, and true garnets at the bottom, and of course the puffed heart that goes with all Pixie pendulums. The attachment to the 7 chakra chain is through a lobster clasp, so you can wear this as a pendant as well. The dangler is filled with wonderful, wonderful stones. We've got carmelian or carmelin, I don't know how to pronounce it, carmelian perhaps. There is jade, amethyst, rose quartz, gold, pearls, onyx, malachite, turquoise, and and amethyst, and then of course sterling silver beads.